Good morning, it is Peter here on Fast Forward, up on the hard, here in Port Bundaberg. It's Friday, the 1st of November, and today I'm leaving Port Bundaberg because there's nothing further I can do here until the boat has been assessed for repair or other. So if you've watched my previous videos, you'll also realize I don't do well until I've had coffee. It is 5 a.m. So, yes, I had a misadventure about 4 weeks ago nearly now, and the town of 1770. We're finally here in Port Bundaberg up on the hard, and yeah, progress after that hopefully. So today I'll be traveling by train from Bundaberg down to Brisbane, I was going to say. And yeah, I'll be catching up with friends down there, basically while I wait for the assessment and surveying to be done and learn what the way forward's going to be. Anyway, it's going to be a long day. It's going to be, yeah, bit of a hard one, to be honest, not knowing what the future is. This will be the last time I have a coffee on Fast Forward for a long time. Maybe, or I don't want to think about it, but it could be ever. So yeah, I've packed as many clothes and stuff as I can carry, and yeah, let's see what the day brings. It's certainly a beautiful morning after some pretty intense thunderstorms last night, so the air is very clear. So yeah, should be a nice day for traveling. The journey continues. It's farewell for now. Okay, made it to the bus stop. It's 7:10. It's hot already at the Port Marina bus stop, and the bus should come from that direction. I just have a fear of traveling on buses. I don't know. I just don't have any faith in them turning up when they're supposed to. Here she comes. Bundaberg station. It's like stepping back in time. I love that. Well, once you've travelled the Queensland coast and you want to see a bit of the inland, what better way to travel than on a train? Hi guys, well, safely arrived in Brisbane, so staying with very good friends of mine here, where I'm just going to try and catch up with myself for a day or two, and decide the way forward. I've done as much as I can as far as getting the boat to where it needs to be, and it's now basically in the hands of others to assess, quote, and determine insurance outcomes, and that basically means whether it be written off or be repaired. I have very mixed feelings about that. Obviously I wanted to be repaired and back on the water, but not my call. We'll see basically if it's a negotiable thing or what have you, so I'm not even going to try and preempt what's going to happen there at all. I'm thinking I will probably go back home down to New South Wales in the next couple of days. I'm thinking about taking the train. It's a long ride, but I do like the idea of it stopping right at my station, rather than going to airports and then dragging stuff on trains and God knows what else. Yeah, too much stuff for that. Anyway, so that will happen maybe in the next couple of days, and obviously I will keep this updated to let you know what's going on, and also obviously any outcomes that I hear about regarding Fast Forward. So thank you for all your support, and I really do appreciate it, and the kind words people have left for me, and I will keep you up to date. Thank you.
Thank you for watching another Fast Forward to Queensland video. As always, don't forget to like, comment on YouTube and subscribe to Dawn Radar.